Hi, Jake with Design Homes. We're back out at our Magnolia build to take a look at our progress. Last time we were out, we had our roof and windows going in. Today we're going to take a look at our mechanicals. The mechanical stage consists of HVAC, plumbing, and electric, so let's go take a look. We're down in the lower level of the home in the unfinished space where the HVAC system resides. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. The heating portion of the system refers to the furnace. In this home, we use a high efficiency gas furnace. We have a 13 SEER rated air conditioning unit. The layouts and unit sizing are meticulously designed in conjunction with our trusted HVAC partners to bring the home the highest energy efficiency possible. I'm here in the great room of our Magnolia. This home also has a gas-powered fireplace, as you can see installed behind me. Our gas fireplaces are also installed by our trusted trade partners at this stage. The rough plumbing stage consists of the install of our drain lines, supply lines, and vent lines throughout the home. At this stage, you'll also notice the install of our prefabricated bathtubs and shower enclosures. Once installed, all of the plumbing is pressure tested to make sure it holds and there's no leaks down the road. During the electric rough phase, our electricians will install the boxes and wiring for the outlets, switches, and lights throughout the home. Because this home also has a fireplace, our electricians have installed a chase, which is a hollow plastic tube ran behind the framing so that any electronics or wiring can be hidden. After our rough mechanical phases are complete, our team will double check it for accuracy and move into our inspection period. Once our inspection period is complete, we will have insulation installed and inspected, as you can see behind me. After insulation, we move into drywall, which will be our next phase, so stay tuned.